Ayun guys, ayan, eto na ulit tayo. Samahan niyo po ulit ako sa ating panibagong video. Tara, let's go! Hello everyone! Ayan, welcome back to my channel. Ayan guys, kung bago pa po kayo ulit sa aking channel, huwag niyo pong kalimutang i-subscribe po muna ako at i-like kung nagugustuhan niyo po. Ngayon, free day po ako. So, may chance akong maglalakbay at mag-iikot-ikot ulit. Ito, hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta at kung saan man ako mapadpad sa araw na to. Basta lakad-lakad lang ako to the max kung saan man ako makakarating alone. Kaya samahan niyo po ako.
Travel with me. Oh, travel with me. Over the seas, wild and free. Come on, travel with me. Travel with me. Across the sea, over the mountains, wild and free. Building a life with every heartbeat. Come on, travel with me. Travel with me. Through endless dreams, over the oceans, under the beams. Laughing forever in endless dreams. Come on, travel with me.
Hala, naulan pala guys. Kaya eto, nagstay put muna ako for a few minutes para medyo tumila ang ulan. Ako dahil walang payong. Kaya, go na go.
Pack your dreams, let's hit the road. Golden mornings, open roads. No more worries, no more fear. Just you and me, the sky's so clear. Got no map, but that's alright.
Guys, waiting for our order. Ayan, ginabi na ngayon. Nag-dinner na lang ulit kami at nakita kami mga hugasan. So, o-order muna kami.
Travel with me
Nice,
across the sea,
Thank you.
over the mountains, wild and free, dancing through cities, chasing the breeze. Come on, travel with me, travel with me. Where dreams run deep, over the rivers, across the fields, laughing with stars in the sky so sweet.
Ay, ba't kumuha ka na ng ganyan?
Come on, travel with me. Sipping coffee in small cafes, writing postcards along the way, singing songs under neon skies, painting the world with you and I. Got no map, but that's alright. We'll find the magic every night, every laugh, every leap. A memory we'll always keep. Travel with me across the sea, over the mountains, wild and free, dancing through cities, chasing the breeze. Come on, travel with me, where dreams run deep, over the rivers, across the fields, laughing with stars in a sky so sweet. Come on, travel with me, underneath a thousand skies. We'll leave the past and say goodbye. Every sunset in your eyes feels like home, feels so right. Travel with me. Oh, travel with me. Over the seas, wild and free. Come on, travel with me. Travel with me. Across the sea, over the mountains, wild and free. Building a life with every
Ayan, eto na nga guys, nagmamadali ako dito kasi meron akong appointment para sa aking phone na i-unlock kasi ng Apple. So, andito muna ako sa IFC at medyo nag-wait lang ako ng oras ko. Guys, nagugutom ako. Punta muna ako sa McDonald's. Ayan. Ang dami kong nilakad ngayong araw na to. Ayan, nag-shopping. Shopping. Dito pa rin ako sa may... Saan ba yan? Ayan, McDonald's. Punta na ako sa McDonald's. Kakain muna ako. Kasi, ay, bigas. Naulanan sila. Naka-raincoat pa. Punta ako sa may Apple Store kasi ipapa-unlock ko yung phone ko. Dahil nalock talaga siya. Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyari. Kasi nakakonect siya sa dalawa kong phone. So, dahil pinalitan ko yung passcode ko, nung pinalitan ko na siya, nalock na. So, matindi pala yun. Kailangan may appointment pa siya. So, 6 o'clock pa yung appointment ko. My God, pamatay oras. Talaga. So, andito pa ako. Anong oras pa lang? Magpa 5. So, may isang oras pa ako, guys. Bago ako uuwi. So, ayan. Ayan yung Central. So, dito ako ngayon sa may McDonald's. At mag-o-order ako. Sana merong vacant. So, fast forward, nandito na po ako at na-entertain na ako. So, inaantay ko lang yung taong pag-a-assist sa akin. Ayan guys, ang labas ng Apple Store. Ang ganda. Ay siya, ginabi na yung peg guys. Ayan, pauwi pa lang ako. Katatapos ko pa lang paayos ng phone ko. Ayan, eto. Nare-format niya. Tsaka, ayan. So, my member channel, thank you so much everyone. Yun na nga. So, pauwi na ako guys. Ayan, ang ganda. Ayan guys, thank you so much po sa lahat ng nanood ng aking premiere. Sa mga silent viewers, thank you so much. Papa Bons, Ma'am Ali, thank you so much po sa pagkapa